Lloyd-Jones here, and today we're going to be looking at how to add extensions to our Joomla website. So the first thing we got to do is go ahead and find the extension that we want to install. And pretty much all extensions for Joomla can be found on the Joomla extensions website. It's just extensions.joomla.org, or just doing a Google search for it. And here you can search the JED, Joomla Extensions Database. And the one that we want to install today is by a company called NoNumber. You can see here you have random new extensions, you have new and noteworthy extensions, you have recently updated extensions, and random extensions. And you can also, over here you can browse the categories if you're just wanting to browse for extensions for your website. But today we know exactly what we want. We want the Advanced Module Manager. Now this is an extension that really just makes the Joomla interface in the back end a lot more. It gives it a lot of features and makes it really nice to use. So we're going to go ahead and click on this extension. We can see it has 4.5 stars there and 203 votes. And it's for Joomla 1.5 native. So let's go ahead and click on that extension. And if you scroll down, you can see the reviews that different people have written, and some screenshots of the extension. Right here you can find out what it does and how it does it. And then right beneath the main information here, you can see there are some options. There's documentation, support, demo, and download, and we want to go with a download. And that's going to take us to the NoNumber website, and right to the download tab. He has different tabs here with different stuff for the extension, but we just want to download it. So we're going to go down and click Advanced Module Manager 1.16.2, and then just save it to our computer. And that'll download into our downloads folder. And next now we have it downloaded into our downloads folder. So now we can go back to our Joomla site and go ahead and go to our administration panel, which here, and then typing in your username and your password and clicking login. And then from the control panel right here, or almost anywhere you are on the site, you can get to this menu right here, and we're going to go to Extensions, Install/Uninstall. Package file, and we'll just hit Browse, and go to our Downloads folder. Go this way, it's right here at the top. Okay, so there's our Advanced Module Manager. We can just click Open or double click it, and then hit Upload File and Install. And then we just wait while it uploads that extension to the into our site. And then it finishes and it says Advanced Module Manager has been installed successfully. Please clear your browser's cache. I haven't had an issue with not doing that. It only says that with these NoNumber plugins and or components, and it just says it on all of them. So now if we go to the plugin manager, we'll see that right here under System Advanced Module Manager, and it actually went ahead and automatically enabled itself. If we wanted to go in here, we could see settings. If a plugin has any settings, we could see them there. But we see here it's enabled, and that's all we need to know for now. So You don't even actually have to come in here at all with this extension. Some extensions you need to come in here and enable them before they will start working. But now if we go to the module manager, where this used to just be the module manager, it's now the advanced module manager. And there's a few extra features. One of the most important is, well, you can see right off here we have, we can set colors for our modules, but also, more importantly, if we go into a module, like the image set rotator, which is not actually enabled right now, but we'll just go into it so I can show you here. If we go to, well, let's go ahead and we'll close this one, and we'll go to module assignment. And now we have a lot more options here as far as how we want to, where we want our module to show up. And the most important one is exclude selection. So we can say I want it to show up on everything but the ones that I pick here. So in the regular module manager you didn't have that option, and it was a big pain because say you wanted it to not show up on a certain article, it meant that every article that you added after that, you would have to go in and add it to that article to get it to show up there. Whereas now you just set it not to show up on the one you don't want it to, and every time you add a new article, it's going to show up there by default. So that's the advanced module manager, and that's how you install extensions. And I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you next time.